How to publish Shopify store. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily make your Shopify store public and live. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify store. As you see guys, I'm using the free plan or a free trial on Shopify store. Just go back and go directly and hit on online store, and then scroll down to preference section. Then guys, go directly to homepage title. For example, if you want to create a new or a custom title, for example, shop simple, for example, then guys, create or add a new description or a custom description. Then after adding your description, then scroll down to password protection. As you see guys, let anyone access to your online store, then you need to pick a plan. Then guys, if you don't have a plan, or you will not have if you are using the free trial on Shopify, will not be able to make your account public, then make sure to go and pick a plan and buy your plan. Only $1 for 3 months. Then after buying a plan, just go directly to password protection and remove the password protection, then hit and delete the password. Then if you don't buy a plan, just go directly and create your manager to your visitors. For example, the password tab, password, for example, the password 1234, and make sure to add your password 1234. Then when the visitors open your online store, you will find the password is 1234. Then you will tap automatically 1234. Then it will be able to use your password. But I prefer to go and buy a plan and pick a plan to make your account or make your website visible and alive for everyone. As you see guys, this is the easy method to make your account live and publish. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.